Hey there! Today, we're unboxing the Hitosino 8-megapixel Smart Hybrid Light Camera. With sound light alarms and two-way audio, this camera works like a 24/7 guard, actively deterring intruders and bringing you peace of mind. Let's check it out. Inside the box, you'll find the camera itself, a waterproof lid, a pack of screws, an installation tool, a drill template, and a quick start guide for easy setup. Now, let's take a closer look at the camera. With its all-metal housing, it's designed to last and ensures high reliability. With a half-inch dot, 4-inch real 4K sensor, you'll enjoy Ultra HD clarity and a wide 127-degree field of view. Uses two supplemental lights, IR and white light, offering 3 lighting modes and flashing during alarms for added protection. And in all lighting modes, the turret camera offers a consistent range of up to 30 meters. Here comes the highlight, built-in microphone and speaker, with two-way audio for real-time talk and voice alarms plus flashing lights. It actively deters threats, delivering live guard protection. Now let's move to the QR code. It lets you easily add your device to HIC Connect for seamless remote access and control. Here's the PoE port. With a single Ethernet cable, power is delivered to the camera, video and audio are transmitted, and a stable network connection is established, all in one simple setup. What's more, here's a setting room, housing the SD card slot for local storage and the reset button for quick troubleshooting. In addition, the turret camera head allows flexible adjustment. Simply loosen the screws to pan, tilt, or rotate the camera to your desired angle. Once the angle is set, tighten the screws to securely lock the camera in place. As you can see, the camera stands 96.3 millimeters tall and 127.3 millimeters in diameter, offering a compact and sleek design for versatile installations. What performance can we get? The core functions are Smart Hybrid Light and Live Guard. Now, let's see how to set it up. First, make sure Smart is selected in Supplement Light mode, which is the default for Hitosino Value Series. Second, enable motion detection, customize the monitoring area, and check the boxes for human and vehicle to reduce false alarms. If you don't want 24/7 recording, make sure to customize the arming schedule to fit your needs. Here's the important step for active deterrence. Enable audio and flashing alarm as the linkage method. Then, check the box for recording to ensure all events are captured in real time and click Save. Go to Alarm Settings to choose from 11 preset warning sounds, or record and upload your own custom sound. When motion is detected, the selected warning will be triggered. Then go to Video Processed Audio to enable two-way audio. Make sure to choose Video and Audio Stream from Video Type. For both mainstream and substream, click Save. Then make sure the audio input is mic-in. Now that the settings are complete, let's see how it performs. When no vehicle or person is detected, the IR light stays on, giving you black and white footage. When a person is detected, the white light turns on, strobe lights flash, and alarms sound. Also, you'll get a real-time alert on HIC Connect
Get away from the car
via two-way audio. About a minute after the person disappears, the white light switches back to IR mode. Now that you've seen how Live Guard works, why not have this personal security guard protect your family and property 24/7, rain or shine? Reach out to us for more details. Thank you for watching.